Hi children, welcome to my class SPL tutorials, and today we are going to discuss your 2.1 exercise from 6th class. Okay na? Exercise 2.1 we are going to discuss from 6th class. So in the last class we have discussed about addition on number line, subtraction on number line, multiplication on number line, and what are whole numbers, natural numbers. Yes, okay na children. So today we have to solve some problems depending on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and what are whole numbers, what are natural numbers. So without doing late, we will start our class. So in the 2.1 first bit, so what is the first bit? So see here, which of the statements are true, which are the statements are true and which are false, correct the false statement. So some statements are given, so from these statements we have to say that the given statement is true or false. So we will see. So depending upon our previous topics only these statements are given. So I think everyone are clear with the last topics what I have explained you. Okay na children? So based on the topics only he gave some statements. So we'll see the first statement what he gave. So there is a natural number that has no predecessor. So what are natural numbers ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So there is a natural number. So here it is a natural number. For that that natural number is don't have the predecessor. Predecessor is nothing but see here one example. This is 4. What is the successor of 4? 5. What is the predecessor of 4? 3. So predecessor is nothing but before of the given number, and successor means after of the given number. So he is asking for one of the given natural number there is no predecessor. So if you observe here means 1, 2, 3, 4. For which number we don't have predecessor? For 4 we have 3. For 3 we have 2 predecessor. For 2 predecessor 1. For 1 predecessor is anything is there? No. So yes, ఒక natural number ki predecessor ఉండదు. Whatever the given statement is right for only natural numbers. Okay na? So that is nothing but true. Next, 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, what are whole numbers? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, in these whole numbers 0 is the smallest. Yes, already we know that. So the given statement is true. Next, all whole numbers are natural numbers. Is all whole numbers are natural numbers ma? Whole numbers lo the given whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3. So malli elaga dini natural numbers ani antam? So we can't say. Yes, so it is false. And you have to remember that all natural numbers are comes under whole numbers. Yes, after 0 we have 1, 2, 3. Those are nothing but what my natural numbers only, no? So in whole numbers we have natural numbers, but in whole numbers the natural all whole numbers we can't say natural numbers. Yes, all natural numbers we can say whole numbers, but we can't say all whole numbers are natural numbers. You have to remember this point. And next, coming to fourth statement, a whole number that lies on the number line lies to the right side of the another number line is greater number. So see here, this is the number line. So this is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the whole number. So these are the whole numbers on the number line, and what he gave that all for the whole numbers right side of the numbers are always greater. సో ఏమంటున్నాడు, నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద నెంబర్స్ ఏవైతే రైట్ సైడ్ ఉంటాయో ప్రెడెసెసర్ కంట గ్రేటర్ అని అంటున్నారు. ఎస్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ ట్రూ? సో ద గివెన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ. వీ హ్యావ్ షోన్ దట్. ఎస్, ఆఫ్టర్ ఎవ్రీ నెంబర్ increasing numbers are greater numbers only, no? So that's why the given statement is true. Okay na? Next question. Say a whole number on the left of the another number on the number line is greater. So same question, but he in the fourth question he written right side, and coming to fifth question he written left side. So left side ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ అన్ని గ్రేటర్ అని అంటున్నాడు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ట్రూ మా? నో, left side of the given whole numbers are smaller numbers. So the given statement is false. Okay na? So fifth question is false. So we can't show the smallest whole number on the number line. Yes, we can't show the smallest number on the whole number line. We can able to show the smallest number on the number line. What is the smallest numbers in the numbers? 0. So it is possible to show, but we can't show the largest number on the whole number on the number line. Yes, so we have infinity numbers. So for numbers we don't have end, so that's why we can't show, we can't draw the big number line, no? So that's why we can't show the biggest number on the number line, but we can show smallest number on the number line. So the given statement is false. Next, we can't show whole number on the number line. So now itself I explained you. So we can't show the largest number on the number line. So it is. So in the sixth question we can't show smallest number అని అన్నాడు, అండ్ సెవెంత్ దాంట్లో సెవెంత్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో వీ కెన్ షో అని చెప్పాడు, వీ కెన్ షో గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ అని చెప్పాడు. సో వీ కాన్ షో. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ఓకేనా? సో నా ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ మా ఫస్ట్ బిట్? All statements what I have explained you. So coming to second question, how many whole numbers are there between 27 and 46? So he is saying that how many whole numbers are there on the number line. So from 26 to 46, in between 27 and 46, how many whole numbers he are saying? So just very simple solution. So draw a number line starting from 27 and ending at 46. All you write 28, 29, 30, 31. You write all between 27 and 46 numbers, and how many are there you count it and write the answer. So you have to give the answer in my comment box. Okay na children, what is the answer of this question? Okay na children, I think the video has become very lengthy, so that's it for today. So finish the first bit and second bit and try to do third bit. Okay na children, thank you. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.